Watch the price versus whale money flow here as it switches back and forth. It appears that whale money is moving out of the market, but there is some amount of money that is staying in that is keeping it from really truly dropping. This is causing the price of Bitcoin to stay within the same place, within a couple $100s at most. But keeping that in mind, we do have one more data point that I'm actually extremely concerned about. We are seeing a ton of short trade volume coming into the market. Before we get into it, our 4th of July sale is on. You can get access to all of these indicators and more for up to $450 off, but there's a limited quantity. Only the first 50 purchases will actually get the discount, so do not miss out. Grab them while you still can. We've already seen a lot of uses so far, so be sure to grab them at the links below. With that, let's jump into the charts. Here we are on the Trade Confident website. We're going down to the Bitcoin metrics. The first metric we're looking at is the Bitcoin emotional index here. We've dropped down into neutral territory, which tells me that any sort of a move down isn't going to be too crazy, but again, there's that one data point that's coming up just in a few charts right here, so stay tuned for that. But usually when we push into neutral, it means a downtrend is likely to end soon, but we do have room to keep moving. Next up is going to be the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector. We were just in low volatility yesterday. We've pushed out of it today, and I think this is anticipation of the next crazy move that's about to happen. Next up is going to be the Bitcoin whale smart money metric. We still have a tiny bit of short trade sentiment in the market, but it looks to me like we're about to start moving into long trade sentiment. However, if we move down here to Bitcoin's major support and resistance levels, we have structural resistance at $31,050 and structure support at $28,473. That's my main target for this next move down, and this is the chart you've been waiting for. This is what I'm concerned about. Notice how for an extremely long time here, long trades have barely moved, short trades have barely moved. Well, right here, we're seeing a significant uptick in short trades. And I know this may look like a little tiny move, but you could see right here, it's 120,000. And this is only on this exchange alone, Bitfinex right here. So long trades are super high, and even a small uptick in short trades is an enormous amount. And personally, this has me concerned that we could see a drop in the market. However, just based on the sheer enormity of Bitcoin, I'm only expecting a move down again to about $28,473. Last but not least is the Bitcoin daily trade scanner. We got a perfect call from a buy signal that saw a move up, and then a strong sell signal as we see a move down happening as we speak. This metric has been incredible at calling the bottoms and the tops of Bitcoin over and over and over again. We're very excited with how these are playing out, and in fact, we actually used that metric in our future forecast video yesterday, and I have to tell you, the trade already won. We're super excited to see how that worked out. This is an update video here with a crypto forecast released today, June 30th. In this video, we're going to show how we won the trade in our last future forecast and successfully accumulated more Bitcoin. Let me show you where I think Bitcoin is going now and what the outlook looks like for the weekend and how you can prep for the next best play in Bitcoin. Absolutely amazing what we've been able to do here with the future forecast videos. The metrics are absolutely crushing it here. We have 20 coins available to you. We've got trade setups where we are currently 37 wins and 0 losses with 6 trades pending. So if you want to get access to all these amazing features and more, you can grab our membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. I recommend the full access for $59 a month because right here, the basic access for $29, you only get 10 coins, macro metrics, and master classes. However, if you want scalping trades, morning brew overview, future forecast videos, Zoom coaching every single month, and many more benefits, just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're excited to trade with you soon. Back on the live charts, we see Bitcoin has gained a little bit more momentum. We're at a crucial point here where whales could actually begin pumping money into the market further, which would cause a short squeeze to the upside. I think any further moves, if we break out above this structure resistance, is going to head up to $34,200. However, we saw short trades entering the market by a pretty significant margin, and this tells me that there is a lot of possibilities of a move down. However, if short trades are entering and whales do decide to push up, again, this is going to cause a short squeeze. There's a lot of short trade sentiment right here, a lot of short trades, and if the price rises above a certain amount, it's going to liquidate those trades. And with less pressure to keep the market down, it's going to shoot the market up. This is what we're looking for, and I'm paying attention here to the price versus whale money flow. We saw this line even in the beginning that where it was flickering either down or sideways. If whale money moves into the market, this is almost a surefire sign of a crazy move up. However, if it drops drops, where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So we will likely see a price drop down to right here at $28,473. I have to say that at the same time the price versus whale money flow is high, we're seeing the trend exhaustion high, a strong sell signal, and all three of these will typically combine to see moves down. However, we do know that July is an extremely bullish month for crypto. 7 out of 10 years in Bitcoin's life so far, Bitcoin has pumped in July, and the last 3 years, Bitcoin has actually seen a rise of 20% or more. I want to show you what a 20% move would actually look like. Let me grab right here the price range tool. From right here, a 20% pump would bring us to about $36,980, nearly $37,000. And this is the outlook for a lot of different news outlets that we've looked at. However, we do still have to break structural resistance at $34,200. It's really tough to predict what's going on right now. There's a lot of possible volatility going on in the market. So again, we're just watching the price versus whale money flow. If we see a spike up, this is going to be a short squeeze to the upside. And over the next month, we could see as much as a 20% rise in price. However, if it drops, whale money will be leaving the market, which will bring the price down. And as we approach that structure support, we'll be looking for price versus whale money flow low, trend exhaustion low as we see right here, and a buy signal for the next move up. After that, again, July is very bullish, so we'll be expecting moves up either way. It's just a matter of if we break up now or in a week or two. As this plays out, you're going to need trading tools to keep track of where whale money is going. You're going to want to know when trends are exhausted, and you're going to want to know when the tops and bottoms are going to be. And our traders using these indicators are absolutely crushing it. I'll show you that in just a second, but you can get them for up to $450 off right now. But again, this is limited quantity. Only the first 50 purchases will get discounts. And I got to tell you, there's already people purchasing. On top of the quantity restraints, the sale also ends Friday on July 7th. So do not miss out. Grab these indicators while you still can at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and it'll be the very first link right here. Go ahead and click that. The big 4th of July sale, $450 off, with the first 50 buyers only getting the discount. Scrolling down here, we can see crazy profits. This person is up almost $9,000 with their account up over 39% using these indicators. This person made $950 in a day, $4,300 in just a week. This person made $2,100 in 3 days, all of them using these indicators. In order to get the best possible deal, what you're going to want to do is grab the bundle pack right here using code SAVEME50. With this pack, you'll get 9 indicators, including the trend exhaustion and price versus whale money flow, as well as a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. To get the best deal, click on the checkout link for the bundle pack, enter code SAVEME50, click apply, fill out your information here, click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off. Click add to cart. You get all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators for $450 off. Make sure your information is correct, click pay, and you are good to go. One last time, July is typically very, very bullish for Bitcoin, and we could see as much of a move up as 20% to test $36,980. However, there's 2 scenarios that could play out. We could either pump absolutely crazy pretty quickly here, or we could drop down to structure support at $28,473 in anticipation of the next move up. What we're looking for is for price versus whale money flow to drop. If that happens, it's going to be the structure support that we hit first. If it moves up pretty significantly, it's going to cause a short squeeze to the upside. Pay attention to the price versus whale money flow. Pay attention to the TC top and bottom finder. Pay attention to the trend exhaustion. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.